Welcome to Nikit Engineers Welding Automation and Robotics Solutions. Today, we are diving into a welding process that truly stands out, Tig Fusion Welding of shafts with automatic voltage control, carried out by our circular welder. In our workshop, we have a circular welder designed for precision. It's more than just a machine, it's a solution to ensure even penetration in your welding jobs. This is crucial for jobs with varying diameters or shafts with irregularities. Our circular welder uses the tungsten inert gas welding process. It's a method known for its accuracy and cleanliness. The automatic voltage control is the key feature. As you weld, it continuously monitors and adjusts the voltage to maintain a consistent arc length. This, in turn, ensures equal penetration along the entire circumference of the job. One of the standout features is its ability to correct runouts. Runouts, or irregularities in the job, can lead to uneven welds. The circular welder detects these discrepancies and automatically compensates for them. It means you get a precise, consistent weld even when working with less than perfect materials. This welding solution finds its home in various industries, from automotive to aerospace, where quality and precision are paramount. If you're working with shafts, tubes, or any cylindrical components, our circular welder ensures your welding is up to the mark.